Okay, the cash book contains different kind of accounts. So it should be many clients account, right? How many have I mentioned so far? Main cash book, client ledger cash book. Then we have the fees ledger. Gideon, are you
I'm here
there?
with you.
Okay.
Yeah, so who is coming in? Spencer, do you want to try?
Gideon, I'll take a pass this time around. I'm still wrapping my head around all that you said. So maybe someone else can assist. I'll be brief. Thank you.
Okay, okay, okay. So someone wants to say something. Yes, Conrad, please go ahead and then speak. You can unmute and speak.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello?
I can hear you.
Hello?
I,
I'm asking whether I can be heard.
yes, you can be heard. I can hear you.
Okay. Let me give it a go. From what I've heard, the main cash book you said is like the firm's financial diary. So it's used to record all the monies that are received and paid out. Then you said the fees ledger is what is used to record the legal fees that are charged to clients. And then the office account, you said is like, I think a bank account that records all monies that are also received and paid out on behalf of the company. You said all the expenses. So things like payment of salaries, payments for utilities, etc. And then you mentioned the client cash book. So that is used to record monies that are paid, but on behalf of the client. And so whether monies that are received and paid on behalf of the client. And so that money does not belong to the firm itself, belongs to the client, but you keep that record to pay on behalf of the client or receive money on behalf of the client. And I think the last one was the client ledger, which you said I think it's meant for the client. It records transactions of all the transactions of the client. It's a personal ledger for the client. I don't know if I've covered all. Yeah, I think
Yes,
that's
brilliant, 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 brilliant. Good, brilliant. So, let speak up. How many books are we opening for solicitors? How many books of accounts are we opening? Let's speak to five.
five.
Five. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So please, I want you to hold on. I want you to catch this trick. I want you to catch this trick because we'll be using it. When you mention client cash book, I want you to know it has a relationship. It has a dating relationship or an office romance with office account. Meaning they have something to do, which we'll be using to solve questions to this morning. Yes. When you hear client cash book, know that it has some side check partnership with client ledger. The fees ledger there is going to be on its own. So keep this. Yes. Yes, it's going to be single. Common from it. So keep these three tricks. When you get to the exams on Friday, don't forget Spencer. Spencer Ado, not senior Spencer. Okay. That the main cash book is having an office romance with the office account. they have a dating relationship. So you see them together at certain places. The client cash book has a relation with the client ledger, then the fees ledger. So let me open up. Somebody who has not spoken today, what are the 5 books of account we have to open? Anybody wants to speak to us? The 5 books of account we have to open.
Hello.
Yes, please, my lady, you can go ahead and speak.
Okay, so the five main accounts of the law firm are: 1, the main cash book, the office account, the client cash book, the client ledger, and then the legal fee ledger or the fee ledger.
Great. Good. I hope I'm not muted. Good. Yes. So let's make progress. Now we are delving deeper. We are delving deeper. We are delving deeper. So let me. Ooh. Let me delve deeper. Good. So we are looking at how we are going to treat it. So let me label it. Somebody has a question? The air conditioner. I can't find the remote. Isaac, please go ahead with your question.
Yeah, I wanted to ask if you could kindly clarify the observation to the effect that the client cash book has a relationship with the office account. I didn't get that bit.
Okay, so for the purposes of our exams, God willing, on Friday, I want you to keep in mind that there are 5 books to be opening. But the main cash book has a relationship with the office account. We'll be using them interchangeably or we'll be using them together. The client, the cash book, his cash book, and its ledger, we will use them together. Then the fees ledger is going to be on its own. I'm using this key because I'm using it to explain something. This thing that we are doing now, if you get this concept, there is no question of solicitors you cannot answer. But if I don't break this thing down for you to understand, you find yourself, what is this? What is that? So main cash book, it has a relationship with the office account. I'm just using this to explain it so we can get it easily.